the occasion of our 20th birthday, we can put on some party hats. It's the traditional thing to do, which seems an easy thing to do for you, but it's quite difficult for a monkey. I'm getting better at it.
Yeah, I think I've got one on okay, I think.
Yeah, right? Oh, you already have.
Oh, yeah.
I'll find it anyway. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Hang on, wait. I look like a unicorn to the first few ones. And I also thought we would sing the song. Everybody knows the words, so sing along with it loudly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Major Drumming Monkeys.
Also, Kiiko, I got you a little present.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah, here it is.
Oh, thanks. I totally got you one too. Thank you.
Oh, that's good.
I just left it at home, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You should show everyone what it is.
I wonder what it